Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the dark world of cybercrime and how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing business email compromise attacks. Join us as we uncover the shocking truth behind WormGPT, the dangerous AI tool cybercriminals are exploiting to launch devastating business email compromise (BEC) attacks. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest cybersecurity updates. In this video, we explore the emerging use of generative AI in cybercrime, particularly OpenAI's ChatGPT and the notorious WormGPT. These AI models can generate human-like text, making it easier for cybercriminals to create convincing fake emails tailored to their victims, increasing the chances of a successful attack. Let's take a look at an actual discussion on a cybercrime forum, where a hacker demonstrates how to refine an email using generative AI. The hacker suggests composing the email in their native language, translating it, and then using ChatGPT to enhance its sophistication. This means attackers, regardless of language fluency, can now craft persuasive phishing emails with ease. Furthermore, we've observed a troubling trend among cybercriminals using jailbreaks for ChatGPT. These are carefully crafted inputs that manipulate the AI model to produce harmful content, or execute malicious code. It's a clear sign of the challenges we face in securing AI technology against determined attackers. The threat doesn't stop there. Malevolent entertainers are presently creating custom computer-based intelligence modules like ChatGPT, explicitly intended for evil purposes. And to our dismay, they're openly advertising these modules to other cybercriminals, making the cybersecurity landscape even more treacherous. Our team recently gained access to WormGPT, a sinister AI module found on a prominent cybercrime forum. WormGPT is an alternative to GPT models, purpose-built for malicious activities. Created in 2021, WormGPT flaunts strong elements, including limitless person support, talk memory maintenance, and code organizing abilities. It was allegedly trained on diverse datasets, primarily focused on malware-related data, but the specifics remain concealed. We conducted tests using WormGPT for BEC attacks, and the results were alarming. The AI module generated a highly persuasive and cunning email aimed at pressuring an unsuspecting account manager into paying a fraudulent invoice. Now, let's explore the advantages of using generative AI for BEC attacks. Exceptional grammar. Generative AI creates emails with impeccable grammar, making them appear legitimate, and reducing the chances of being flagged as suspicious. Lowered entry threshold. The use of generative AI levels the playing field for cybercriminals. Even those with limited skills can now conduct sophisticated BEC attacks, making it accessible to a broader spectrum of wrongdoers. As AI technology becomes more potent, it's crucial to implement robust measures against AI-driven BEC attacks. BEC explicit preparation. Organizations ought to foster broad and consistently refreshed preparing projects to counter BEC assaults improved by man-made intelligence. Educate employees on BEC threats, AI augmentation, and attacker tactics as part of their professional development. Enhanced email verification. Enforce stringent email verification processes, automatically detecting emails from external sources pretending to be internal executives or vendors. Employ email systems that flag keywords associated with BEC attacks for thorough examination before any action is taken. As we wrap up today's eye-opening video, remember to stay vigilant against cyber threats. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends to spread awareness about the dark side of AI. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you're always ahead in the fight against cybercrime. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe online.